So over here you can see that I am working in this Google Classroom right here. And there's another Google Classroom that I have right here, as you can see right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and close this Google Classroom, but I don't want to delete it either, but I want to save it for future reference. So in that case, what you can do is you can archive out the class. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the three dot button right here. And over here, you can see that the archive option opens up. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it says archive graphic design, creativity, and animation. So it is asking me question, so I really want to do this or not. That is because the students lose access right here, but the teachers can still have access to the content. So I'm just going to go around and click on archive right here. And once I do that, what happens is that the classroom will be archived right here. So it seems like the classroom has been deleted, but you can still access out the content over here in the archive classes section right here. And you can see your archive class right here. So you have access to your content right here, just like this, but you just don't have the classroom active over here, over here for students. And that is how you can go around and archive out your classrooms inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.